Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about single or pure vowels in phonetics and phonology. What are single or pure vowels? Actually, it is opposite form of vowels to diphthongs. These vowels are single and also known as pure vowels. These vowels are 12 in number. 12 in number. In this table of vowel, you can see that these vowels are 12. First one is E, which is a high front vowel. Next one is E, it's a short form. And mid vowel is A, as in bait. And next one is epsilon, as in bed. And next one is low vowel ash, which is used in sound as cat or hat. Had. In central vowels is shava, which is used as a short form of vowel, as in away. And epsilon is used for zabar, as in bird. In back vowels, rounded vowels are as epsilon, as in u, and its short form is o, as in book. O, as in not or got. And backward C used in as law. And last vowel is a, as in father. These are single or pure vowels, and total these are 12 in number. And you can observe single or pure vowels spectrogram. A spectrogram is a method to check pronunciation of sounds or vowel sounds. This is also visible on a spectrogram, that is the pure vowel, as a. Thank you so much. In next video we will discuss about diphthongs.